This is a co-challenge for black. White's ice space is very big, so if black tries to reduce white's ice space, it will fail very easily. That's why black must try to play something on the inside and see what can happen. So pushing here doesn't hurt. It's also forcing. White cannot play elsewhere. You can try some of the other moves. It will not work because of number 3. Because reducing ice space doesn't work here, you might want to try something like this. If white cooperates by playing something like this, then black might be able to kill white. This way, white is also dead. This will be a bulky 5 shape. But as we can see, this is a key point, number 4 right here. And the best black can do now is to make a seki, which is not the correct answer because white lives after number 8. You might want to try this move as well, but here it doesn't work. White can simply make this eye or this, and number 3 will not be able to connect back. What else might work? This might work. This is how you get to the correct answer by trying some of the moves that do not work. Of course, you have to anticipate white's strongest response. Here, white must block, otherwise number 3 will connect back and white will die. What's next? If black plays here, then we'll go back to the seki shape. But now black can play here. It's a very interesting move. If white makes this eye, black can actually connect and kill this stone. And white will be left with one fake eye. And of course here will not be a real eye. So white will die this way. So white's strongest response is this Atari and number 6. Now to make a ko, black simply plays here. And white will capture the ko first. This ko is relatively straightforward. If white wins, white will just capture and live. If black manages to capture back, is there a local ko threat for white? And the answer is yes. It's right here. It's a local ko threat. Doesn't matter if black connects here. White can make an extra real eye here. So black must play here and white captures back. And eventually, if black wins this ko, black can connect here. And this will be a pyramid 4 shape, a dead shape for white. And white will be dead after black's number 19. So overall, not super difficult, but it takes a few tries to find the right moves, especially number 3 and number 5. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.